Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and
ring that notification bell.
Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, as we left off last video, we had some issues out here on the chicken pen, as you can hear. So we got the staple gun out here. Hallie is going to try to do some right? I'll hold these extra staples. So what we're going to do, sis, I'm going to pull down on this, get it all stretched out down here, and you're going to have to use both hands. You're going to push it tight against that railroad tie right there, okay? And you're going to
pull this down.
Here, do this. Let's do a desk pop here.
So I just push this down.
Hard, gotta squeeze it. Squeeze it hard. Don't point it toward me or shoot me. Oh, may not be able to do it.
Yeah, I can't do it.
You can't do that? Alright, well, you're going to have to be the camera girl.
Okay.
Have the prettiest camera girl in the world.
Can you turn this thing
Oh, yeah,
around?
right. Yeah. That better?
Yeah.
Got me?
Got a nice look at your hoodie.
Get a good look at my hoodie. Check them out. We're working on the website, people. Hopefully, I got a buddy coming over who does clothing. That's what he does, pretty much full-time. Well, part-time, full-time. Like I do YouTube part-time, he does clothing part-time. So he has a website. He sells clothing. He's going to help me set up my website on Shopify soon. But I got to make some Asgard tacos for him to come over. If you don't know what Asgard tacos are, you're missing out. Okay? Ask Hunter about them. He'll tell you that's what I ate when I was in Asgard with Thor. Eating tacos, right? We had these tacos, and it's a corn tortilla. You put a little bit of oil in your pan, right, and you fry it on up right there, and then you put them on some napkins and drain some of the grease off of it, and you make tacos out of that. That's Asgard tacos, or just corn tortilla tacos, but we call them Asgard. So, because he thinks I went to Asgard and ate them, and we're gonna keep telling him that, okay? So, what we're gonna do now? Yeah, I got you. That's Chickaletta right there, isn't it?
Yep, that's Chickaletta.
I thought that was Chickaletta. I'm going to staple this net first here. Boom.
And Fluffy's right there. Chickaletta and Fluffy.
Do you know what's causing this, sis? Them goats leaning against it and scratching. They'll lean against it and walk, you know? Scratch their sides. Starting to take shape, though. Yeah, we caught you ladies been sneaking out at night. You can't sneak out at night, not on our watch. I don't know who you've been chasing, but you're gonna have to stay in the house now. No more sneaking out them windows. Bad chicken. Bad chicken. Hallie, you get older, don't be like these chickens sneaking out. You got it? You got it?
Bella and Thor are playing. Yes.
All right, let's go over here.
Here's the door.
Watch your head. So you can see this right here where they'll put their belly in here. See, it's concaved in here, and they'll rub it across here and scratch. So I'm gonna try to pull this down a little bit here if I can. Well, that's not wanting to.
I'm gonna go.
You're a weirdo.
Weirdo.
What? Here, hold this. What I do notice, look, I put 4 hinges on this bad boy, but look at the gap now right here to up here. So I'm thinking, I don't know if this pulled away or what, but I'm gonna have to. This gap on top here has gotten bigger, which I think is how them cardinals got in. I'm gonna need to. I don't know. It's sagging, but I think this. It's like this whole board here is shifted or something. I don't know.
It's kind of leaning that way.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I need to
Make it straight.
I need to maybe take this hinge off, and pull it to it a little bit. I don't know. That's another day.
And right here.
Yeah, it's got a little gap there.
Because it's robo tie. Baby robo tie.
See, right now this is sufficient because we have Thor in here. And as you notice, I said some must-haves on the homestead is a guardian dog, right? So if we didn't have Thor in this pen with the chicken pen, we would have coons coming to get in there like could get in there. We've seen some possums in here, but he lets us know about it. But he kind of keeps guard on here. But when we get this property over here and we move the goats and then we get the sheep over there and we move Thor over there, and this whole thing is essentially going to be a chicken pen. I think we're going to get some goats, or some ducks maybe, and build a little pond in here for them. So there's going to be more predators trying to get in here. So I'm going to have to beef up this. We're going to have to redo this chicken pen to make it fully enclosed at night where nothing can get in there to them. And then they'll have all this area
For in the daytime.
for in the daytime to roam. So they're going to be pretty excited. I'm nervous about turning the turkey loose, but I think they've been here so long. I don't think, as long as nothing's in here that chases them off out of the pen, I think we'll be all right. Let's go in there and check on Hunter today and see how little man's doing. All right, we're going to go in there and check on the boys and Mama. Huddy's probably taking a nap right now, but we'll check on Hunter. And then later on today, we'll come out here. And really, I'm not sure yet. It's kind of one of those days where projects are on a standstill. We might go. There's no telling what's going to come on the rest of this video, but stick around. You don't want to miss it. Alrighty, well, we just got inside. Gonna flip it around and show you Hunt Man. What's up, bud? Feeling kind of blah today. You can see right there where he had his IV in. Probably got all the blood, most of the blood washed out of his nose. Well, he was bleeding up in there. What do you think? You want me to get this camera out of your face? Huh? Maybe a little bit.
Can you tell them what you're watching?
What are you watching?
Tell them.
Can I guess?
Talk.
Can I guess?
What's your guess?
Ninja Kids. It's the new Spider-Man.
Spider-Man 3.
Spider-Man 3. Oh, nice. Well, I won't make you talk if your throat hurts. Want me to ask everybody to pray for you? Huh?
It's like, I don't care.
Okay. Alrighty, so there's Hunter. He's still not talking much, not eating, not drinking, not doing anything that we ask him to do. So keep telling him if he doesn't drink and if it gets dried out and starts cracking and gets infected, the pain he's feeling now is going to be nothing compared to what it's going to be like. But it's hard when they're little and they're hurting. They don't think that it could hurt any worse than it did. Also, we got some, glad I just looked down, we got some checks in from some of y'all that sent them in for the Barns Fund. I think there's 5 there that we got. So thank you guys. If you guys still like to donate, you can. I'll put The link's down in the description below and the P.O. box. So still opening that up for a little bit longer, and then we're going to cash everything, get it all together, and take it to him. So there's still time if he wants to be a part of this. Let's go follow the links below. All right, guys. Well, it is Tuesday. Scratch that. Monday, February 28th, and we got a couple firsts. My first day back to work after I hurt my knee, and Hunter's first day outside. He's still not talking much. Throat's still hurting, but we said you need to go out and get a little fresh air, breathe a little fresh air. Make sure you're walking. Don't be running and jumping around. So he's just following me around while I'm doing chores and hanging out. Huh? Oh, huh. Got anything to say? You want to say hi, everyone? Can you say thank you for your prayers? That's a no, he can't. But he is appreciative. How are they, sis? How many eggs we got?
I didn't check.
You didn't see any eggs in there?
I forgot to check.
Hey, go ahead and take one of those buckets, or take that little feed bucket and get eggs. I gotta go get some more feed.
Chickens really went out.
How many we get? What?
I had to lift up a chicken. I think the chicken was laying.
All right, open her up. Let's see what we got under here.
That's her. And over there's a fake egg.
Yep. Did you say you got one out from underneath her? She was sitting on two of them. You been eating a red popsicle? I can tell. All right, we need to put some more shavings in here. Should we do that today?
Yeah, I want to.
All right.
Please.
Let's go get them.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, what's up?
That's what she says.
I
Man,
think she wants you to pet her. Oh. All right, let's go get some shavings.
We're about to have some new bed.
Oh, what are you doing up there?
That looks cool.
Where'd you find it at? Was it just laying on the ground? Just like that. Just like that. That's weird. I told you guys, look how old this is too. I mean, this is super old. Remember I told you every time it rains, something else washes up? Literally, this old rusted flathead screwdriver. Like, it's about to rust apart. It just washed up. Pretty cool find. Let's not put it back down on the ground where we found it though. We don't want to hit that with the lawnmower, do we? Mess some stuff up, eh? Just put it by the gate. Good job. I'm gonna go get some pine shavings. All right, guys, I'm gonna head over here, get these pine shavings. We're gonna put out some fresh shavings for the old ladies. And I'm excited. Getting more eggs. I know I say springtime's right around the corner, even though we got ice all in the background. But spring is right around the corner. These chickens are starting to lay more. The turkey are getting more vocal, as you heard a while ago with Hallie. The hens are getting vocal. It's just, it's my favorite time of the year, springtime. So, I'm excited. Hey, you gonna put this pine shavings in?
Yeah. I don't know. I was staring at the rooster and you're scaring me. You scared. I mean, you like scared me.
All right, hop over there to your spot.
Throw it over. Don't throw it over, please. Okay, threw it over. I've done this before.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, videos.
You need me to tear that open for you? No? All right, we'll see.
I already have a hole in it.
It's alright if you spill it right there. Face. Rip it. Oh.
Wait, where are we putting this at?
Inside those boxes.
Oh, I just...
That's alright. There's more than enough. Sure you don't need some help?
Maybe a little.
Maybe a little bit. There you go.
Ow.
Fill her up.
You put it on the chicken.
Don't move, okay? Whatever you do, don't move.
Just put some in that corner.
Yeah, fill it all in there.
I need to rub that.
There we go, keep it coming.
It's fun spreading this in the shelter.
Yeah.
You have to pick it up and like swing it all over the place and stuff flies all over the place. And it just all goes crazy. Try to get down. Doing. What is it saying?
You scratching mine up already, huh? Oh, did you like that? Huh?
That's funny.
As soon as I did, her like legs went stiff. She's walking like a duck. Whoa! That was weird.
Hi, Bubby.
Alright. Is that Chickaletta?
Yeah, that's Chickaletta.
Chickaletta, you trying to have a Chickaletta?
Chickaletta Jr.
Chickaletta Jr.? Alright, let's get up out of here. So, we got 5 yesterday. Hey, hush. We got 5 yesterday and 2 today. So,
7.
yeah, but I'd like to get 5 again. Alright, guys. Well, that's pretty much a wrap, I think. So 2 eggs. Alright guys, well we're going to dump this dog food out, and then that is all we got on today's video. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Morehead Homestead, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We're also going to give one more, this is the last video, so I'm going to put the PayPal and Venmo in the description below if you guys would like to donate to the Barnes Fund. Anyways, if you guys can support, that'd be awesome. If not, we understand. But either way, please keep him in your prayers. Links in the description below. You guys got anything?
I hear ducks. Oh, that's not ducks.
Alright guys, that's all we got in today's video. Thanks for watching. Until next time. God bless.